How to turn on Opera Mini notifications. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on Opera notifications easily. So first thing, go to Opera and go down here, click on this option, click here, and now all what you have to do is scroll down until you find notifications option. Now click on it and you will be able to enable the Opera notifications from here just by click on it like this. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.